Hello Mad Makers! Today I'm going to show you how to make this giraffe drawing. We are going to be using Ed Emberley's drawing book of animals. He shows you step by step how to draw all sorts of different animals. And today I'm going to use his directions to show you how to make this giraffe. Okay, let's get started. You're going to need a piece of paper and pencil, colored pencil, marker, crayons. I'm going to use a marker today. You can use whatever size paper you want, but you probably want it going the long way because our giraffe is going to be tall and skinny. Okay, so to get started, we are going to draw a rectangle about in the middle of our paper. And then we're going to make a dot up here. And we're going to draw a line down, back to the dot, and draw a long skinny triangle. I'm going to draw another dot here. We're going to draw a line to that dot and another line to the dot to make another triangle. And we're going to draw a line coming up here, a line coming up here. We're going to draw some little tiny dots on the end of those lines. Now we're going to come over here and we're going to draw a line that comes out the back. And we'll draw two lines like that. All right, next we're going to draw a dot down here and we're going to make another long skinny triangle. Put another dot over here, make another long skinny triangle. We'll do another one over here. And we'll do another one over here. Then we're going to draw a line that comes at the bottom, another line, another line, and this line we're going to have it cross over this line. All right, up on top we're going to add a line that comes like that, and we're going to do a U shape. And we're going to add a circle on the end. Now we're going to go and color all this in very carefully. All right. Now we're going to make some just tiny little hairs on the back of our, just little dashes, little lines. Okay. Now we're going to grab a different color marker. It's up to you what color you want yours to be. I think I'm going to make mine brown, and we're going to add some rectangle details. So I'm going to make some small rectangles and color them in. We'll turn them and go this way up the neck. Rectangles get smaller the higher up you go. When you're done with your triangles, your very last step is to add a little eyeball, just a little dot right up here. And there you have it. That's your giraffe. You could add some more details in the background or watch our elephant video and add an elephant somewhere in your drawing. You could have some sky, maybe some sun, maybe a tree with leaves that the giraffe is munching on. It's totally up to you. Or you could just leave it plain. So thanks so much for watching today. I hope you had fun and got to make this giraffe drawing. Stay tuned for more videos to come.